tell you something I've never said out loud before. I run a small shop, nothing special. Just four walls, some shelves, and a door I unlock every morning. But from behind that counter, I've seen something that quietly broke my heart. Every month, payday comes, and I watch. People walk in, smiling, relaxed, finally breathing, and within 72 hours, it's gone. Not stolen, not lost. Gone by choice. Alcohol, groceries that last a week. Small things, small moments, and then, 28 days later, the same faces, same tired eyes, same empty hands. For a long time I thought, this is what life is. Then one day something hit me. It completely blew my mind. This isn't about money at all. It never was. And by the time this video ends, you're going to understand something about yourself that most people go their entire lives without ever seeing. Stay with me. This one matters. Here's the truth. Your brain, right now as you watch this, is working against you. Not because you're weak, because you're human. Your brain wants to feel good, right now. Not tomorrow, not next year. This is just how we are built. So when money comes in, the brain says, spend it, enjoy your life. You've worked very hard and you truly deserve it. And we listen. Every time. This is not weakness, this is just how the human brain works. But here is the problem. If you always listen to that voice, you will always end up in the same place. Broke, waiting for next month again. But I have some good news. That voice can be beaten, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Let me show you two guys. They both started with the same salary, same struggles, same dreams. 10 years later, their lives look nothing alike. Same life, same chances. But one small habit changed everything. Let's talk about guy one. He gets paid. After a long week, for a moment he feels good. He goes out with his friends just to enjoy a little. Buys a few things he doesn't really need. Just small stuff. And by day 4, nothing is left. He tells himself, next month, I'll start saving. Next month arrives, and nothing changes. Same cycle repeats. 10 years pass, just like this. And he's still saying the same thing. Next month. Guy 2 gets paid, same as guy 1, but before he spends a single cent, he moves 10% aside, just 10%, into a separate account. Every time. Nobody even knows he does this. No posts about it, no talks about it, just quiet action. Every month, month after month. 10 years later, guy 1 is still waiting, still hoping. But guy 2, he has savings, he can say no to bad opportunities, he can handle emergencies, and he sleeps peacefully at night. Same salary, same 10 years. But one habit that changed everything. Now, you might be thinking, I already know I should save, but you are wrong. If you know it, then why don't you? And this question is the most important question in this video. And the answer is something nobody talks about. This isn't laziness, a thought you never chose. But slowly, you started believing it. And that one thought is quietly costing you everything. Because if you believe nothing can change, nothing ever will, you'll spend, you'll wait, you'll keep hoping, until the day you decide. That thought was never true. So, what do you actually do? It's simple. Start from this month. Save $100 or 50, even just 20. Literally whatever you can. Put it somewhere safe and don't touch it. That's it. Seriously, because when you do that, something in your brain starts to shift. Oh, maybe I'm actually someone who saves. Next month, just do it again. Same amount. Nothing crazy, no pressure at all. Just again. By month 3, month 4, that old voice in your head starts getting a little quieter. Because now you actually have proof, real, undeniable proof, that you're not the same person anymore. Just one small action every month. That's how real change happens. Not with big dramatic decisions, but with small ones repeated quietly. And then one day, you look back at your life, and you don't even recognize the person you used to be. I still open my shop every morning, just like always. I see the same faces every single day, and some of them never really change, and honestly, that makes me sad. Not because they're bad people, not at all, but because no one ever sat them down and told them the truth. You're not stuck because of how much you earn. You're stuck because of what you believe about money, about life. Change that belief, even if it's slow, even if it's just a little bit, and things start to shift. Not all at once, but it does shift. And if you, watching this right now, that already means something. If this hit something inside you, save this video. Watch it again when you feel weak. It will mean something different every time. And if you want more videos like this, videos that actually say something real, like share and subscribe. New video every week. See you in the next video.